Hello everyone, I am Dr. Tanvi Mahant, founder and owner of HomeoHeals Clinic, and welcome back to my channel HomeoHeals. Today we are going to talk about another Bach Flower Remedy, that is rescue remedy, and as the name suggests, it is really helpful in emergency situation. So let's talk more about this remedy. Now we are talking about Bach Flower remedies which are helpful in controlling your emotions and help you to balance your mental state. So now this rescue remedy is a combination of 5 flower remedies which are rock rose, impatience, star of Bethlehem, cherry plum and clematis. So it is a combination of these 5 remedies from which you get this rescue remedy. Now this remedy I use very often in my clinic. Now it is very useful for panic like situation or acute panic attacks. Now so many people before any big event, maybe it could be a stage performance, it could be examination fear, it could be going to some important function. Before that, a lot of people sort of develop anticipatory anxiety. Some people start sweating, sometimes there is a lot of palpitation. In all this situation, rescue remedy, if given, really helps. Some people have certain fears, okay, which is remaining for a very long time. For example, there are some people met with an accident and after that fear is persisting for a very long time. In this case is also rescue remedy really helps. Talking about physical ailments also, for example, someone had a fall, there is an injury, okay. In acute fall and injury like arnica, rescue remedy really helps. It not only helps to reduce the mental anxiety but also the local pain is reduced when you take rescue remedy. You can give it every 10 to 15 minutes also. In fact, you can also apply rescue remedy to the parts which are injured and you will see definitely there is an improvement. Also in situation where there is loss of a family member, near and dear one, because of which there is acute grief, okay, the patient is really sad and depressed. In those cases also rescue remedy helps. I have given in patients who have a fear of surgery also, right? So there is a surgery which has been decided and before that the patient, there are few people who are really anxious and they are really worried. In such situation also you can give rescue remedy. A lot of people have fear of certain disease impending, so they constantly have that anxiety when they see others that I am going to also suffer from this. During COVID, okay, so many people had that anxiety that I am going to get COVID, or there was a fear of staying in isolation. During those period also rescue remedy was very helpful. So from fears, anxiety, acute panic attacks, okay, from acute injuries, there are a lot of things in which rescue remedies can be used. Now, I think I have given you a brief introduction about this remedy. There are many more uses. So if you have used this rescue remedy and you've seen that it has helped you, do write down in the comment section. Also, if you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and spread this video with more and more people. It is for creating awareness. In case if you want any more information, you can contact me or you can contact your nearest homeopathic doctor and then take this remedy. Thank you.